Hello friends and welcome to AK Agarwal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem of data interpretation using pie chart. Here the given problem is details of students appeared in CET from 6 districts is as given below. Students appeared in CET in 2010 is equal to 32,000 and distribution of this 32,000 is from A district 16%, from B district 12%, from C district 20%, from D district 28%, from E district 14%, from F district 10%. Out of this 32,000, 20,000 students could clear the examination, and distribution of this 20,000 is from A district 23%, from B 16%, from C 10%, from D 22%, from E 14%, from F 15%. So based on these two pie chart, you have to answer certain question. Here the first question is, what percentage of candidates passed the examination from district C out of the total number of candidates enrolled from the same districts? So from C district, what is the result, or what is the result of district C? So first let us determine how many students appeared from district C and how many students cleared the examination from district C. So if you see, total 32,000 students appeared, and from C 20% students appeared. So students appeared from C is 20% of 32,000. 20 into 32,000 divided by 100 is equal to 6,400. It means from C districts 6,400 students appeared in CET examination. Now how many students cleared the examination? 10% of 20,000. It means students cleared the CET from district C is equal to 10 into 20,000 divided by 100. 10% of 20,000 is equal to 2,000. It means if 6,400 students appeared from district C, out of 6,400 only 2,000 students could clear the examination. So required percentage, what is the percentage result, is equal to 2,000 divided by 6,400 into 100 is equal to 31.25. So result of district C is 31.25%. Friends, many more questions can be answered using the same pie chart. Let us answer one more question based on this same information. Which district has the best result? So there are 6 districts, number of students appeared from 6 districts, and number of students cleared the examination in percentage from the 6 districts is given, and which district has the best result. So to answer this question, let us prepare a table. A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 districts are there. Number of students appeared, number of students cleared. If we see A district, total 16% of 32 appeared. So 16 into 32 divided by 100 is equal to 5120. From district B, 12% appeared. Similarly, that will be 12 into 32,000 divided by 100. Like this, you can calculate number of students appeared from each district. Similarly, number of students cleared, if you see from A district, 23% students cleared. 23% of 20,000. So 23 into 20,000 divided by 100 is equal to 4,600. Similarly, you can calculate number of students cleared from each district simply by changing this 23. It will become 16, 10, 22, 14 and 25. So if this is the students appeared and this is the students cleared the examination, percentage result for this A district will be 4600 into 100 divided by number of students appeared, that is 5120. This equal to 89%. Similarly, you can calculate result for other districts. For B, 32,000 into 100 divided by 3840 is equal to 83%. For district C, 2000 into 100 divided by 6,400 is equal to 31%. Like this, 31, 49, 62, and district F, 93% result. So just If you see these 6 districts, which district is having the best result? Certainly it is district F, which is giving the best result. And which district is having the poorest result? It is district C. 31 point something is the result. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you very much.